Welcome back, and now we're in the back of the book. We're on page 134, and down the bottom corner there, you can see 6C, be or do. Okay, oh, I forgot to smile. That's why I put myself back on. There we go. Okay, right, let's get on with some serious work. So, be or do. Okay, now we looked at the beginning of part 6, we looked at things like, for example, I think the example I gave you was, I drink coffee every morning. Okay, do you drink tea or coffee? Yeah, and you can say, Martin drinks coffee. Does he drink tea? No, he never drinks tea. Okay, he doesn't drink tea. Now, when I've got your class, normally then I drink water. So we can say Martin drinks water, but at that moment, we can also say Martin is drinking water. And the question, is he drinking water? What is he drinking? So let's have a look over here at be or do. I could play you the recording. You can play it to yourself. I'm Jim. So we can just use to be and a person. She isn't very friendly. The negative is isn't. And we can use it with adjectives, okay? I am friendly, you are beautiful, and things like that. It is cold outside, things like that. So those adjectives we can use with to be, okay? Are you Hungarian? That's a nationality, okay? So we can use be as a main verb, but we can also use it to form the present continuous, and we call it an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb just means a helping verb, okay? So, for example, I'm driving, okay? The verb, the main action verb is drive, so I'm driving my car, okay? And the combination of I am and ing tells you I'm doing it now, okay? So, remember, we need to invert be and the subject to make questions. In real English, that means a fact is he is Spanish. A question is he. So he is a fact. Is he is a question. Is it raining? Okay. On the other side, we've got do and does. Now, do can also be an action verb, a main verb. Okay, what are you doing? I'm doing my homework. It can also be, do you do your homework regularly? So the first one, we've got present continuous, now, and present simple for things that are not just now. So, when do you do your homework? What time do you do your homework? Do you do your homework? Do you do all of your homework? I hope so, or I'm talking to myself. But we can also use it to make questions and don't to make negatives in the present simple. This is now an auxiliary verb. It's just helping us to say no or to ask a question. Okay, forget that bit down the bottom. My goodness. Do you speak English? Where do they live? Are questions. They don't have children is negative. Does your sister have a car? Where does your father work? And Alan doesn't like jazz. Okay, that's a kind of music, isn't it? So let's do some practice on this. And over here, yeah, now we can put some phrases in the correct column here, and we've got have a car, hungry, know these people, like classical music, listening to me, live in the city, stressed, tired, speak Russian, waiting for a friend. Okay, and they either have a question with are you, or they have a question with do you. Okay, now they've just given me some new fancy pens, so I think I'm going to use the green one for are you. What do you think? Are you have a car? No. Are you hungry? Yes. Oops. Are you know these people? Are you like classical music? Nope. Are you listening to me? Yes. Are you live in the city centre? No. Are you stressed? Yes. Are you tired? Yes. Are you speak Russian? Nope. Are you waiting for a friend? Yes. And the other ones, of course, are do you. Okay. So we've got do you have a car? Do you like classical music? Do you live in the city? Do you speak Russian? And the one I forgot, do you know those people? Okay, I'm going to put up those answers. You will need to press pause. And if you press pause now, you can watch these ones, or you can just watch the last part of the